If you had $300,000 to buy a home in the US, where would you get the most for your money? Florida, Texas, or California? Let's break it down. For $300K in Tampa or Orlando, you can get a 3-bedroom home, modern kitchen, and even a small pool. Move to Miami or Naples, and that same budget only gets you a condo or a fixer-upper. Move to Miami or Naples, and that same budget only gets you a condo or a fixer-upper. In Texas, $300K buys a 4-bedroom suburban home with a garage and backyard. No state income tax, abundant land, and booming cities make it ideal for families and remote workers. In LA, San Diego, or San Francisco, $300K barely buys a studio condo. Inland cities offer 2-bedroom starter homes, but high taxes and cost of living make your money go further elsewhere. Texas gives you the most space for your money. Florida offers leisure and sunshine. California delivers prestige if you're ready to pay more for less. So, where would you buy your $300K home? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate breakdowns. Knowing what your money really buys is the first step to making it work for you.